So I'm going to show you how you can use AI to generate scripts for your video. It can be any kind of scripts. So at first I'm gonna go ChatGPT to generate some ideas. If you already have your idea or already have your title, that what will be the video about, go for it. I don't have any idea, so I'm gonna generate one. Let's ask, give me a video idea about AI. So ChatGPT will give me some idea. That is how AI is revolution. Okay, so let's just copy this, and for this script we will use Claude AI. Yes, Claude.ai. Claude will give you more accurate and engaging script than ChatGPT. So just come here and just type, give me a YouTube video script on this topic, and Claude will automatically create you a unique, engaging script for your YouTube video. Now, if you want, you can readjust it, you can give some human touch. If you don't, you can literally just copy this whole thing and paste it for your script. Use Claude because Claude is more versatile than ChatGPT right now. If I ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt like this, ChatGPT's prompt will not be, it will be totally bland. So use Claude. Like you can see right here, it literally gives me a good amount of script. Let's just copy content and let's just paste here and ask how many words are. So it will just tell me there are 1000 words specifically. If you want a longer script, just ask for Claude that give me a 5000 word script, give me a 10,000 word script. Claude will do this for you. ChatGPT will not be able to give you more than 1000 words script at a time. So and that's how you just copy this and go to your notepad, paste it, and here you go. You have your own script for your new video.